Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is an Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and a former chairman of Tata Sons. He is also a chairman of Tata Groups from 1990 to 2012, and again as an interim chairman from October 2016 to February 2017. He is the recipient of two of the highest civilian awards of India, the Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Bhushan in 2000. He continues to head the main two trusts, Sir Dorabji Tata Trust and Sir Ratan Tata Trust and their allied trust, with a combined stake of 66% in the Tata Sons Private Limited, which is the Tata Group's holding company. So, many people around the world want to know what is the net worth of Ratan Tata. Tata Group is running 96 businesses, and out of which 29 companies are publicly listed on the various stock exchanges. Tata Group is the only Indian brand to feature in the top 100 of the Brand Finance Global 500 2020, the ranking of the world's 500 most valuable brands. Have you ever thought why Ratan Tata's name is not in the list of billionaires club? Why Ratan Tata is not on billionaire on the Forbes magazine list of billionaires people of the world? The reason is that the Tata Group 96 companies are headed by its main company Tata Sons. And the main owner of the Tata Sons is not Ratan Tata, but various charitable organizations developed and run by the Tata Group only. 65% of the Tata Sons, which is key holding company of the other 96 Tata Group companies, is held by various charitable organizations. So this 65% ownership of Tata Sons Limited is not reflected on the Ratan Tata's personal financial statement, but on the various charitable organizations. And this is the reason why Ratan Tata is not in the list of billionaires club. If we put this 65% ownership of Tata Sons in the Ratan Tata's own personal financial statement, then Ratan Tata's net worth can be calculated as Tata Sons net worth as on 6th June 2021 is $251 billion. So the net worth of Ratan Tata will be 65% of $251 billion along with his own current net worth of $1 billion. That comes around $163 billion. So, he would have been the third richest person after Bernard Arnault, $191 billion, and Jeff Bezos, $186 billion. However, it doesn't mean that Ratan Tata is poor. In one interview, he said that I have my own capital. Ratan Tata's current net worth is around $1 billion. So, the good thing about the Tata Group is that they do charity out of their money. Ratan Tata once said, "What I would like to do is to live behind a sustainable entity of set of companies that operate in an exemplary manner in terms of ethics, values, and continues what our ancestors left behind." So, if you love this video, please consider liking our video. Join our family by smashing that subscribe button.